Hey guys, so I'm having a little bit of car issues lately, and apparently it's one of my oxygen sensors. And on the Lexus LS400, my oxygen sensor, the one that's going bad, is the one on the driver's side that is upstream. So that's the one on the top of the exhaust versus the one that goes towards the catalytic converter. So in here, I bought a car part from Amazon. I love buying car parts on Amazon because they're very convenient. You know, you get them delivered to you and they come within maybe a day. This one I ordered yesterday and I got it today, like the very next day, which is pretty great. So this one is a ECCPP, and this is a high quality parts oxygen sensor. I don't know about high quality because this thing was 20 something bucks. But let me tell you, if this works, you'll see the video, of course. But yeah, Amazon has one of the lowest, or cheapest parts that you can buy for car parts. And sometimes they beat Rock Auto and all these other companies. So again, I'm going to be putting a link in the description. So if you have issues with your oxygen sensors, you can pick it up there. And as well, when you click on the link, you'll help me out and get me a little bit of, some incentive for recommending these parts. So that's gonna be it here. This is the oxygen sensor. It has a cap on the end, so that way it's protected. It looks like it has already some anti-seize compound in there, so you don't have to put any, but I would, just in case. And the cord looks pretty good. And also the connector looks pretty good as well, and looks like the OEM connector. So yeah, now let's go install this part and we'll find out how it did. Alright guys, so I'm over here at my parents' house replacing the oxygen sensor, and so this is what I got so far. So this is the LS400 here. I already removed the front driver's side tire, and if you guys see right in here, that's the first oxygen sensor, and here's the second one. So the second one, it's still good. The first one is bad, so it's time to replace it. And this is the tool I was referring to, by the way. This is a 22 millimeter or 7/8, and it's an offset socket. So you just put it in there and you're able to twist it, and I have it to this nice big breaker bar. So I'm gonna try to remove it without using penetrating fluid, but most likely I will have to. So let's try it out. Alright guys, so I just managed to remove the oxygen sensor. As you can see, it's right there. And what I had to do, I could not use my breaker bar. It was too big because it was hitting the power steering pump right here. So there's not enough space. So what I had to do was use that offset socket thing, the adapter, and I used a 3/8, just a regular wrench. And I had to position it like so, kind of like this way, like at an angle. So I put it on, but I had the wrench like this. So as I had it on the socket or on the oxygen sensor, I twisted this way. But I couldn't do it by myself, because I need more leverage. So I had to resort to using my pipe, or my friend's pipe. This is Jonathan's pipe here. And this adds an extension to it. This is an aluminum pipe, and it adds an extension so that way you can get more leverage. And after pulling a little bit and using the PB blaster, it came right out. So yes, so I got it out. The next thing to do is removing that 12 millimeter right there that's bolted to the engine straight ahead, right in the middle. and that'll give me access to the oxygen sensor wire that's plugged into it. Because as of right now, I can't put my hand in there because you see how deep that is? And yeah, these parts are not cold. These are hot parts. I had to drive the car to get over here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take off that 12mm right there in the middle, and then I'll be able to get more leverage to remove that clip and then put the new one on. So that's what's going on now. This is what I'm gonna do now. Alright guys, so I was just able to remove that 12mm bolt, and there is the socket that I got it out, and here is the old sensor. So that one's ready to be thrown in the trash. So now let's install the new one, and I'm gonna try to record this. Hopefully you guys can see me. Alright guys, so here's the new one. I'm gonna screw it in first, and then I'll put the cable. There we go. Alright, now it's time to tighten it. Same way as before. So you see, let's loosen it. This is to tighten it. It's going to be a little bit difficult. Oh man. Alright, so now I can plug this guy back in. Oh yeah. Oh man, sucks. And that's it. And I'll put this little 12mm back on. This thing had to roll away from me. There we go. I hope you guys can still see. Alright, that is it. The installation for the oxygen sensor is complete. Just gotta tuck the wire in. This thing's still recording. So yeah, that's it. It's a little bit pain in the butt, especially reaching this bottom one to get that out, and then this in itself is a little bit of pain in the butt, but it's able to be done without having to remove all this other stuff. So I hope you guys like this video. Here is the outro. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already installed this oxygen sensor into the car. I know I still have it on me, but you know, you gotta end the video. So, you know, here we go. So yes, if you guys want to order this part from Amazon, link in the description below. And I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the channel, subscribe. And if you don't subscribe. But hit that like button. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace. So, can't leave you guys without any context of what happened to the Lexus. But, yesterday, replaced the oxygen sensor, as you guys seen in the video. And now today, let's see, flip the camera around and got my sticker. So the car is running good. After I installed the oxygen sensor, drove about maybe 30 miles. You know, cruised it on the freeway, drive lightly. You know, car's a little bit dirty on the outside. But after 30 miles, my buddy Ignacio over there. After 30 miles, the oxygen or the check engine light didn't come back on. Let me turn the car on. So the car is working perfectly. So I'm at 248,517 right now. Got a quarter tank of gas. Yeah. Car is working great, no check engine light. And again, I drove it about 30 miles so I can get, because I did have to reset the engine monitor or the engine code, but doing that, it resets all the monitors for the computer. So after driving it around for about 30 miles, hey, they're all checked out and they worked really good. I took it the same day to get do the smog check, the test only, and I think I have it in here. I went at this location near my house, Vista Test Only. It's in Pasadena, right on Colorado. And again, you see the mileage right there, 248,510. The overall test results, vehicle passed. So here are the readings, in case you guys are interested in the measurements. So yeah, car passed with flying colors. No issues with the car. Beautiful car. Love this car. This thing drives like a dream. Turn on the AC a little bit. Too loud. And is able to pass emissions. So sorry, my hair's a little bit wavy over here. Family is with their mom, so I'm alone today. But at least I get to do these videos. And again, car's doing good. Inside is pretty clean. I cleaned the inside too. I felt kind of bad having the car all dirty. So I cleaned the inside. Passed the test. Went to go get my tags. And all that yesterday. And now finally recording the video so I can end it. But again guys, if you guys are interested in buying that oxygen sensor from Amazon, link in the description. Or if you want to buy the Lexus, let me know. No, I'm just kidding. I won't sell it. The thing works too good. You know what I mean? Like, why sell something that is amazing and it continues to drive amazing? So alright guys, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.